In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your project files from Lovable AI using Chrome. We'll start by ensuring that you're comfortably logged in, and then guide you through the exporting process. It's a straightforward procedure, but it's always good to be thorough for the best experience and to avoid any hiccups along the way. So, let's dive in and get started. First and foremost, ensure you're using Google Chrome as your web browser for this. Once you've got that sorted out, go ahead and log into your Lovable AI account. If you're like most of us who use Lovable AI regularly, this should be a familiar step. Simply enter your credentials on the login page, click that login button, and you're in. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is really your gateway to everything you can do with Lovable AI. Now you need to head over to your project dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The project dashboard displays all your ongoing projects, allowing you to manage them effortlessly. You can think of it as your control center for everything project related. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if this is your first time, and find the project you're interested in downloading the files from. Once you're on the project dashboard, look around for the export or download option. This feature is typically prominent and user-friendly, designed to help you easily export your data. The purpose of this option is to allow you to transfer your project files from the online environment to your local device, which is especially useful if you need to work offline or simply want to ensure you have a backup stored. Now, when it comes to downloading, you have a choice to make. Lovable AI offers several formats for exporting your files, including both HTML and zip options, among others. Each of these formats has its benefits. HTML is perfect for web-based viewing and sharing, while zip files are excellent for bundling all your project assets into a single compressed folder. Consider what suits your needs best before making your choice. Go ahead and click the download button once you've selected your desired format. Your files will begin downloading to your device, and depending on the size of the project, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. It's a good practice to keep an eye on your downloads folder to ensure everything is going according to plan. Finally, once the download is complete, the last step is to verify that your files have been downloaded correctly. Open the files locally on your device and give them a quick glance to ensure they appear as expected. This simple check can prevent unnecessary headaches down the line. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully exported and saved your project files from Lovable AI. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, feel free to reach out for more support.